It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
So this is the kit that I will be using today. So here we have the 4-in-1 base coat, all right? And I do have another Bellavina video where I tested out the polygel from Double Dip. So definitely check that video out if you are interested in the polygel. So let me just take everything out so I can show you the box. So this is the front. It is so pretty. We have the Bellavina Bring the Salon to You Mini Gel Tip Kit, Soak Off UV and LED Cured. And then we have the doubledipstore.com, the website where you can grab this, okay? This is also on Amazon now, okay? So Double Dip is on Amazon now. So all of y'all that shop on Amazon, go on over, add this to your Amazon cart, and you can get it that way. So on the back, we have our instructions, warning, package includes, and for what the package includes, it says that we have a free gift, okay? The ingredients and all of that is back here if you want to know them, if you feel some type of way about anything and all of that, okay? So definitely screenshot this or whatever. They give you all of the information that you need, okay? So inside, of course, they give us some helpful tips, a user manual, all of that good stuff to show you how to apply these, okay? What I like to do is put some of the product inside of the tip. I don't want it to get all up on the side walls, because when you do that, you get more spillage, okay? Then I tap it, put the tip on, and then we're just going to do that little slide motion, okay? And of course, I'm going to be using the 4-in-1 base coat that it came with. So first, I'm going to kind of put it on the nail so I can get an idea of where I need to put the product, because you don't want to put the product where your nail bed is not even going to be at. So I am super excited to share the news about this celebrity nail contest with you all. Of course, you all are welcome to enter it as well. I'm just going to give you some information about the contest. So it is the Celebrity Nail Contest campaign on TikTok. So you do have to post a TikTok video, okay? And for the contest, you have to create a celebrity-inspired mani set using the Miniluxe Gel Tip Kit that I'm using in this video, okay? So like I said, you can get this from the Double Dip website or Double Dip on Amazon. If you want even more longevity, you can definitely file inside of the tip. So anyone who posts will be able to enter, and we have 3 winners, and they will get $10,000 split between the 3 winners. Okay, so that's a pretty nice prize. Okay, also you have to post the video between 6/6 and 6/12. Okay, so that is the window to post, and I will make sure that I put all of this information in the description bar for you all as well, just in case. And you can post as many times as you like, so that's cool as well. And the most popular videos will win. All right, you can use other brands as far as, you know, the polishing and all that kind of stuff, but try not to show those brands. This is a campaign for Double Dip showcasing their Miniluxe Gel Tip Kit. So let's try to keep the highlight on that and not on the other products. All right, but you can definitely use anything that you like. So I am super excited about the contest. Of course, I am entering the contest, and I hope to see y'all enter it as well. If you are not following me on TikTok, make sure you go ahead and do that. My TikTok information is in the description bar, along with all of the rules for the celebrity nail contest. All right, so I'll see y'all over there on TikTok. So now I'm going to cure each one under the lamp for a full cycle. So this is how they look. I'm going to go in with this buffer and a nail file to remove the shine off of the top and to remove this little tip part at the bottom, and just to kind of sharpen up the side walls a little bit. But the way that these tips are shaped, they look really good. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line. And I'll see y'all in the next video. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to It's a Wrap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.